Hi, my name is Gauri and I'm a legal intern with Lexis & Company. The case that I'll be discussing in this video is popularly called Tasmanian Dams case, but its official name is Commonwealth versus Tasmania. It had significant implications for environmental law and the balance between conservation and development. So the Tasmanian government planned to construct a dam, a hydroelectric power scheme in the southwest wilderness area of Tasmania, and the project involved flooding the Franklin River and the surrounding areas, which were part of a pristine wilderness recognized for their environmental and ecological significance. Several environmental and conservation groups, along with Australian federal government, challenged the Tasmanian government's decision to proceed with the dam project. They argued that the proposed dam would violate the Commonwealth's power to protect and preserve the environment under the Australian Constitution. The High Court heard the case and ultimately ruled against the Tasmanian government's plan to construct the dam. The court held that the Australian federal government had the authority to legislate for the preservation and protection of areas with natural environmental significance, even if those areas were located within a state's jurisdiction. The court's decision was based on the interpretation of the external factors power of the Australian Constitution, which allows the federal government to implement international treaties. The court found that the Commonwealth had the power to protect the natural values of the area by preventing the construction of the dam. The ruling effectively halted the dam project and preserved the wilderness area from large-scale development. This case had a far-reaching impact for environmental law in Australia. It affirmed the power of the federal government to legislate for the protection of the environment, even in areas within a state's jurisdiction. The decision highlighted the importance of preserving environmentally significant areas and set a precedent for balancing conservation and development interests. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.